everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's see who this is from. This is quite the bag full. So, hang on. Okay. This comes from DPClubs. It will be in 2 parts. So part 1 is today, part 2 is next Monday. I'll be right back and I'll show you what we have. Alright, I am back. And we have 2 cross stitches here. This is the first one. It says Peter Rabbit Family, and it looks just like the Beatrix Potter Peter Rabbits. I used to have that book. I may still have it. I'm not real sure. I had some that were very old editions from like 1935 because they belonged to my father. Yeah, but isn't that just absolutely precious? And who can go through Easter without having rabbits? And Peter Rabbit, he's the best. This is a 14 count, 21 by 22. It was $4.99. And did I say it was 14 count? You got 1 page, flip, and that's it. So not very big. It's an 80 by 95. It has 18 colors in it. And a little bit of back stitching, not a whole lot. Just kind of around the edges. Awesome sauce. I don't know what happened there. So let's take a look at the colors. Now this is one of the newer ones. It does come with 2 needles. And it does have, let me see if I can bring you down in. It has the DMC number. The red number is how many strands of that color you have. And then the number on the bottom and running all the way across is the number for the thread card. So let me put you back here so I don't forget. But yeah, just beautiful antique looking colors. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, I always loved those books and read them until the pages probably fell out. You know, it just, yeah. Story always ended up the same, but what can I say? So it's not very big, as you can see. So it wouldn't take you very long to do it. And it does have the product number here on top, the same as the paper. It says the Peter Rabbit Family, how many squares per square. And it the paper pattern will not match as far as symbols. They have their own symbols on each canvas. So the symbols will be different from the paper pattern to the canvas, if that makes any kind of sense. Hey, really? Just found a new place to bark. What can I say? So it has 1 color in back stitching, and the rest of these are your colors you're going to use here. Very well printed, very easy to see. It is serged all the way around. It is 21 centimeters by 21.5. So a little short of 22. Actual picture size is 6 3/4 or 17 centimeters by 6.5 or 16.5 centimeters. So not very big. You could probably put it in a 8 by 8. Hang on. Let me see. Yep, it would fit in an 8 by 8 frame, because once you get rid of all the colors and stuff, you're going to have some extra material. So yeah, you could center that in an 8 by 8 frame. It's a little close for a 6 by 6, but yeah, I just saw that and went, oh, got to have. All right, now we have another big one. And let me see. I don't have a picture. I'm not seeing a picture here. But it has lots of colors, I can tell you that much. see if I can get it. Oh dear, yeah, I remember now. Do you remember that part? Hang on. Move that. Where I said, oh, I'm not buying any more 18 count. Yeah, well, guess what? Yeah. So, I'm trying to get to the page. And I will put a picture here. And that way you can see what it is. I thought it was a beautiful picture. And it has just a few colors and a few things going on. Big paper pattern, so it's an 18 count, 40 by 62. And it's one of the newer ones. It was $18.79. Hold on, I'm trying. And it goes up and down, as you can see. It has 40 colors in it. And yeah, there's going to be confetti because you're not going to get through this without it. And this would definitely have to be blown up if I was going to use it for any moment in time. Yeah. It is, yeah, huge. Gigantuan. And I'd probably do it, since it's a full coverage, I was looking to see if there was anything on the back. Since it's an 18 count, I'll probably do it in a single thread and full coverage. I don't know. Maybe 2 strands. There's no back stitching to it. So, yeah, I don't know. I'd have to play it by ear. You know, do a little bit, see what it looked like. Do a little bit, see what it was like. Yeah. It comes with a toolkit with thimble, poof ball, 5 needles, and a needle threader. And we have the blossom again. I don't know that you can see that or not. I'm trying. Yeah. Comes with a single sheet on how to do and how to start, how to end, how to stitch. Yeah, very nice. Let's look at those threads. There's just a few. Just a couple. Just a couple. So I don't know how this passed my radar, and I got another 18 count, but here we are. Pull that out. So, you have a hank of 310 black. This is a beautiful color. $9.19. It's kind of a bittersweet orange. You have kind of a Kelly green, which is $6.99. Very nice. You have a beautiful gold, and it is $3.852. Very nice. Just love all the beautiful colors in this. It's just outstanding. $7.20. It's a brighter burnt orange, if you will. You have this lovely yellow orange. It is $9.72. And look at that. To die for. It is $3.849. Just unbelievable. Then we have some 318 gray. It's kind of got a blue tone to it. Then we have Seafoam Green, $37.56. It's like Seafoam Green Light, if you will. Just looks like a mint. You know, no, y'all don't remember those mints. Anyway, speeding right along. $9.28. And that is kind of a greenish gray, if you will. Just beautiful. So you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 hanks of 40. That's 400 strands of thread in my hand. Isn't that just, to die for? Yeah. So, let's look at the rest of the colors. And this thing is heavy as well, so it's going to use some thread. Hang on. I'm trying to get them all undone. They've all been traveling companions for so long they don't want to let go. Alright, so there's the first one. You have like a dark, I don't know, it's like a dark teal. It's kind of got a black to blue look. little purple. There's one of the Hanks. There's one of the Hanks. Very lovely. I just love all the jewel tones on there. What are you doing? You are being silly. She is just something else. Then we have purples, yellow, bright, pale yellow, greens. There's one of the Hanks right there. When it has a single thread, either there's not that much of it, or that means there's a Hank somewhere. So, just gorgeous. Jewel tony looking colors. Just absolutely yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Whoops, I just knocked my scissors 6 ways from Sunday, but I want to get a hold of all that thread and fold it all up so nobody gets lost, and then we'll look at the canvas. All right, set that up there. All right, this is serged all the way around. Very tiny. Very, very tiny. Oh yeah, it'll take a hot moment. I do like that half cross stitch on a full, so I may have to use 2 strands for this. Very nice key. The paper pattern will match the canvas. Let me just open it up a bit so you can see it. Just absolutely lovely canvas, and this is kind of soft and smooth, and I guess because it's 18 count, but it's very nice. It's very comparable to how smooth Joy Sunday canvases are, so that's nice, but it was well worth the 18 for it. Yeah, very teeny tiny itty bitty. I think I'd have to use my magnifying glass. See if I can measure this. Don't know if that's going to happen or not, but we're going to try. It is 39.5 centimeters this way. It is, and they're pretty halved, so it is 62 centimeters that away, so that works. I don't know if I can get this part done. 33 centimeters or 13 inches by, oh, we're just guessing here, 27, 40, 50, 54 centimeters up and down, or 20 and 20 inches-ish. How's that? Inches-ish. New word of the week. Oh God, you get the point. Yeah. Just going to be stunning. There is a picture right here, but I don't think, yeah, it's probably not going to show. It's very tiny, but I just loved all the plants and the background and everything. Hang on. All right, I'm back. Yeah, the wind blew so hard yesterday. All day long, it stirred up every bit of dust everywhere. Yeah, it was like 30, 40 mile an hour winds all day long. I felt like I was in Cheyenne, Wyoming. But very nice, very easy to see. Yeah, but it'll take a hot moment. It will take a hot moment. But I love it. I love the colors and the way it looks. So yeah, look for half cross stitch. Yeah, if I'm ever looking to get through it. I still have beads on here. I did, I don't know that you can see. There you go. Still have drills from when I kitted up the diamond painting. And then found out my granddaughter had a little flu for a little bit, but she's better now. So, off to school they go, right? Yeah. So, DPClubs, thank you for sending me these beautiful kits. Love them. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number. They also have a separate Joy Sunday section. They have tools and crafts for diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They do not have any embroidery. And they also have, there's a discount code in the description below for, I think it's 15% off. So do check that out. And if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I think it was 15% off. So do check them out if they have any specials, you know, for like spring and that kind of thing. I will put that in the description box below. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.